That's a base card. Bradford. They're pretty cards. That one's scratched on the front, but Zach Miller. Which Zach Miller? That's Seattle Zach Miller.
Two Zach
Oh,
Millers.
and a green Zach Miller.
Just what you wanted.
Just what I always wanted. Didn't you say the back box?
I said the back box. We'll see.
We'll see what happens. All right.
Oh, that's sweet.
Alex
Oh, that's a
Green.
low number, too. Number to 50. That's sick. Nice. That's a good. That's a good one. I like him.
21 of them, no wonder.
900 though.
900. That's all of those rookies. And Marco Murray patch. A neat looking one. I haven't seen one with the framed patch like that. A small patch. I think the only ones I've seen are the big patches. And Chris Johnson. Hey, freak of the devil. Yep, 3 hits.